from Ramakrishna Agriculture Polytechnic College. We are now in the crop garden of chili. We are explaining about chili disease. This plant is caused by chili anthracnose. This is also called as dieback or fruit rot. The fruit rot causal organism was fungus. Fungus scientific name Coletrotrichum capsicum. If the anthracnose brownish black color, it appears leaves brownish black color spots and irregular in shape. The leaves are defoliated. The leaves are leaf foliated and stunted growth called leaf anthracnose. The infected growth of the tip plant shows necrosis disease. It is caused by anthracnose. The ripe fruits of chili is mostly damaged compared to green ones. It is not. The ripe fruits mostly is infected by necrosis disease or fruit rot. This area shows brownish black color spots. And the favorable conditions of disease was temperature at between 25 to 35 degrees. It causes by heavy rainfall also. We have to manage these plants like we have to spray dipnoconazole 0.1% and propiconazole 0.1%. After 15 days we have to spray another time to stop this disease.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So good evening. Today we are in Ramakrishna Agricultural Polytechnic College crop cafeteria. In fact, this chili has been affected by anthracnose disease long back. Because of continuous rains, we are unable to do any control measures. Today, this girl has already explained what are the main symptoms of this disease. Let me go through the notes prepared by her. This chili anthracnose, or it is also known as dieback disease, or it is also known as fruit rot. The fungus causing this disease, fungal disease, is Coletrotrichum capsicum. This disease appears in 3 phases. One is anthracnose phase, wherein the leaves are affected first. You can see the leaves. See these leaves, you can see. Blisters are appearing on the leaf. Necrotic spots, that is, it is dying, you can see. These necrotic spots will expand and the leaf after some time will fall down. Now you can see in all the plants, you can observe leaves are not many. In fact, the chili is also affected by powdery mildew also. Because of this combined effect, you can see the leaves which are infected with powdery mildew as well as this anthracnose disease simultaneously. You can observe generally. You can see that these chili plants are not having a sufficient number of leaves. Even if the leaves are there, they are not healthy. They are in puckered appearance, not plain. And underneath the surface and above surface of the leaves also there is a powdery growth also because of powdery mildew. So this powdery mildew as well as anthracnose disease both are affecting this crop. Now as we already know that in the anthracnose there are 3 phases. First phase is infection to the leaves resulting in the fall of leaf. Secondly, the infection also spreads to the tips of the plant. You can see the tips of the plant will be infected and the leaf size will become smaller. After some time it will die back. That means you can see here all the growing points are dying. This is called dieback disease. Thirdly, the third symptom is mostly appears on the fruits which are ripening, or it will not appear on the green chilies. That is, when the fruit is not matured, it will not affect. You can see green part of the chili, this is not infected, whereas when the ripening process takes place, you can see here the fruit is affected. That means when the sugar levels in the fruit are increasing, then that is a favorable condition for the fungus to grow fast on the ripening fruits. Because of this, this disease also known as fruit rot. So So in the third phase, ripe fruits are mostly infected compared to the green ones. Small circular yellowish spots will appear in the beginning, then they will spread and it will turn into sunken spots. గుంతలు గుంతలు పడిపోతుంది కాయ చూడండి. ముందు లైట్ స్పాట్స్ ఏర్పడుతుంది, ఫైనల్ స్టేజ్కి వచ్చేటప్పటికి కాయ గుంతలు గుంతలుగా పడిపోతుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద థర్డ్ అండ్ ఫైనల్ సిమ్టమ్. And she already explained what are the chemicals that can be sprayed here. ఏదమ్మా కెమికల్ చెప్పింది?
Diphenol and propanol.
And the source of infection, from where the infection has taken place, it is the crop residues. In the previous season, if these chili plants or any solanaceous plants are affected by this anthracnose fungus, the debris, if it is not properly treated or burnt after the crop is harvested, the plant debris will carry the inoculum to the next crop. This is how it has been spread. Maybe I think we got chilies last time before the hostel building. There this disease was there. So naturally there was a source of inoculum in our area. And how it will spread is through wind. The windborne spores will infect the crop and cause the disease. And what are the control measures for this? Cultural practices is when we plow the land, we have to ensure that there was no crop residues left in the field which belongs to Solanaceous family, which may act as a main source. Then clean cultivation should be done. In fact, we have not taken much care about this. There were huge weeds in the earlier times. So that is also one reason why this disease spread is more. And climate wise, this type of cloudy weather with high humidity and low temperature favors the infection of this anthracnose disease. Okay. So today, since rain is going to come once again, we are not going ahead with the chemical control measures, though we brought the chemicals and everything is ready. Tomorrow when this cyclone effect goes, then we will start spraying the chemicals to control the disease. Thank you.